Yo guys, what is up? Today is the last day in Austin, Texas. There's apparently a ride going on right now for Paul So Hard. So we are running late. We got to check out of this B&B at 11, and it is 11 now. So we got to get our shit together, but then hopefully go to this ride. So let's do it. The Shogo twins refuse to ride anymore. All right, I'll text you guys later. All right, later. But yeah, guys, we're heading to Paul So Hard's ride. If you don't know, Paul So Hard typically takes people to like just ridiculous abandoned areas, the undergrounds of Texas. So we just had to ride 7 damn miles to the meet spot, but we made it nevertheless. I gotta check what my battery's at, but there's a very good chance this battery's dying today. Damn electric bike problems. All right, but where are the boys at? What's up, ladies? I definitely just wasted like 30%.
Yeah, I'm not saying the whole ride either.
Ain't no way. What's good, dude? What's good, dude? What's good, dude?
Don't crash into anybody. Crash on your own all you want. Let's try not to get the cops on us because they've been hot and I really don't think they'd chase today.
Hopefully we don't get a flat here. The start. I'm like afraid to wheelie because I want to save battery. But BK is at like 70 on a stock around battery. On the two smoke. Small bike advantage. Ooh, this shit is slick. Dude, it looks so slick. Straight poo water, bro. This is where I'm gonna have to climb now. I know exactly what you did to me. There's a fucking dumbass hook to climb up here.
Bro, it's horrible.
Big boys. Ain't no way I'm gonna be able to get up this. Oh my god. Ain't no way. We found ourselves in a precarious spot here, my friend.
Oh, I've seen this in a G-Bear video.
Ain't no way. Oh fuck. I'm running. I'm running. Yeah. Ain't no way I'm doing that on the pass off. I've run! No shot! Holy fuck! What happened?
My pants got caught under my foot brake, and I like went to put my foot down and it just fucking shredded.
Oh my god, are you alright? You gotta get that shit fucking checked out.
I'm gonna go get something.
You gotta go fucking get stitches probably.
No, I don't think so. I mean, maybe.
Oh,
that is gnarly, bro.
she's dripping now. Alright, well, if we split off, nice seeing you. I'll
yeah,
see
good seeing you.
Next big ride.
Yeah. See guys, this is how you navigate a Paul So Hard ride. You just don't do any of the obstacles. You just go alongside it. Dylan's got it. Damn, I should have went down. Bro, Paul's just the biggest instigator. Hey! This right here is the easy route on the Paul So Hard ride. Showing you guys how to attend and not be subject to the bad things.
What do you say about not clearing it?
Dude, Dill Eagle might be the best trials rider there is on a Suron, dude. He's killing it today. Oh! Oh! Man. What the fuck? What is happening?
I've never seen it in my life. Look at that shit. Bro! You have to go for the warranty for that one. No, they have no flexion last warranty. Bro, what?
We're continuing back into the fucking drain. I don't know, we'll see. My GoPro's gonna die, but it's been pretty ridiculous. People living down here, a little bike shop. Classic Paul territory. Just bags of shit. Battery's doing great though. We just gotta make sure we have enough time to get back for our flight. Drop off this bike, get my bags, get to the airport. We'll probably cut it close. Finally wheeling. And it looks like we're getting on the highway. This guy on the two-stroke is killing it. Woo! What you at? 60? I'm at 74.